Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. In this video, we are going to run through what is Coinbase.com and how it is started and how to get started and how to earn money and what are the services of Coinbase.com. So now let's get started. So Coinbase is the easiest and efficient place to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and this is used by over 98 million plus users, and this website is supported for 100 plus countries, and the volume quarterly trade is $309 billion. And the website Coinbase.com is the most secured and trusted cryptocurrency platform, and they secure storage and the accounts and everything are protected by insurance, and they provide the best price for the industry, and this is 100 to 100% trusted and secured platform which you can try without any fear. And if you guys are the users of Android or iOS, you can download the Coinbase app through the Play Store and App Store, and this is free to download, and you guys can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana, and you can trade Bitcoins, which is a most efficient coin, cryptocurrency coin, and you can do trading with it. And this, as you guys can see, this is the greatest and the most efficient website of buying and selling cryptocurrencies. And by using Coinbase.com, you can create portfolios like this image demonstrated over here, and you can download mobile apps which will show the portfolio like this, and this is very nice, and each coin's price and the change and market capital is demonstrated in the portfolios section. Now let's see how to get started and create an account and sign in to Coinbase.com. Now just click on get started, and this will say to create an account, and first you should provide your first name and the last name and the email and a password, and you should be over 18 years old to sign in and create a free account. And you can sign up with a business account too by clicking on this, and this is a business account which is used for commercial purposes, and most of the users use this to sign up, many individuals, and you can use and create an account in this section. I'm gonna fill this form, and as you guys can see, I have successfully filled this form, and I have checked on the checkbox that I am more than 18 years old, and when I click create free account, it will, or by sending an email to your Gmail account which you have mentioned in the form, and it will ask to verify your photo, ID or passport, and you can proceed, and you can sign up for this website, and you can sign in and trade cryptos. That's it for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more ideas and technology related videos. Thanks for connecting with us.